Hey there, campers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gear.
Today, we've got something truly exciting for all you road warriors out there. The best RV solar panel kit on the market. Introducing the eco-worthy 200-watt 12 volts complete solar panel starter kit for RV off-grid with battery and inverter. This all-in-one solution is a game-changer for anyone looking to harness the power of the sun while on the open road. Now, let's talk about why this kit stands out from the rest.
First off, it's complete and beginner-friendly.
Everything you need for installation and connection is right here in the box. No guesswork, no hassle, just plug and play. With two 100W monocrystalline solar panels, you're getting durability and efficiency rolled into one. These panels are built to last, with aluminum frames and tempered glass panels designed for extended outdoor use.
Plus, they're waterproof and can withstand high winds and snow loads, making them perfect for any weather conditions. But wait, there's more. The kit also includes a 50Ah lithium iron phosphate battery. That's right, lithium, not lead acid.
This means longer cycle life, faster charging, and more reliable performance overall.
Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries and hello to years of worry-free power.
And let's not forget about the 600W pure sine wave power inverter. This little powerhouse converts DC to AC with over 92% efficiency, giving you reliable and stable power whenever you need it. Whether you're charging your devices or running appliances, this inverter has you covered.
But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some real customers have to say about their experience with the eco-worthy kit.
Steven says, "This is my first solar kit, and it was very easy to set up.
Charges the included battery relatively quickly, even in a slightly shaded area."
And Dave Barbara adds, "Just did the final test today. Everything is working great.
I am very happy with the results."
So there you have it, folks, the eco-worthy 200-watt RV solar panel kit. It's reliable, efficient, and beginner-friendly, making it the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy camping!